Welcome to our video tutorial on how to cut your fingernails. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail care enthusiast, mastering the art of fingernail trimming is essential for maintaining healthy and well-groomed nails. So let's dive right in and reveal some essential tips and techniques. Firstly, it's important to choose the right tools. A good pair of nail clippers or nail scissors will make the job easier. Start by cleaning your hands and nails with warm, soapy water to soften them up. Next, gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher or a Q-tip. Clearing the path will ensure a smooth and accurate cut. Now it's time to trim your nails. Begin by making small, controlled cuts across the nail, following its natural shape. It's always better to trim less than you think you need to avoid any discomfort or accidental cuts. Remember to file your nails after trimming. Using a nail file, gently smooth out any rough edges or jagged corners. This will prevent snags and keep your nails looking neat. If you're prone to ingrown nails, consider trimming them straight across instead of shaping them into a curve. This will minimize the risk of the nail growing into the surrounding skin. Lastly, moisturize your hands and nails with a nourishing lotion or cuticle oil. This will keep your nails hydrated, healthy, and less prone to breakage. That's it! By following these essential tips and techniques, you'll become a master at fingernail trimming in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nail care tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and happy nail trimming!